Multiple incomes. Having multiple jobs or ways of earning money through freelance or another side hustle. You could have a couple part-time jobs, walk people's dogs, rake leaves, mow people's yards, shovel someone's sidewalk or driveway. Could also do freelance gigs like photography or voice acting. I've tried to get into voice acting, and I've realized how difficult it actually is to get into the industry. It can take years. Another way to earn money is through social media. I had a professor in community college who told my class, do what you love and the money will come. Something my dad told me is that there's no such thing as a bad job. So if you're feeling stuck or you feel worthless, if you have a job, at least you have a job. You can afford groceries and you can afford fuel. If you're not overspending, you don't have to be rich in order to manage your money, but you have to manage your money if you want to be rich.